A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. So, we done read the book of Romans. And while me await Panuno, if you tell me which book you want me to read from next, I will just go and read 2 Saamz. Yeah, them start for work on the book of Saamz them. And this is just a draft to give you an idea of where them come with. All right? I know the official one, remember that. So today, I'm going to read Saamz 1. And remember, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right there. So. Saamz 1. This Maddy, when I do what wicked people them do. The one when I mix up with the wrongdoer them too. This Maddy, when I turn up with part people we take God for puppy show turn. Him are the God bless one. Where him love, our inner God word, we write down. And him read and think about it hard from morning till night come. Him come in like a tree we plant right side a river. Tree we always bear fruit at just the time we right and proper. Tree full for leaf not dry up and look like it pop down. And everything we him do, a bear good, I run him down. But I know so he go with wicked people. Them come in like dry up can trash where breeze take and dash this your way and that the way. And that make wicked people now go can run from God's judgment where they come. And that make wrongdoer now go can mix and mingle with people where do right. Because people where do right, God look out for them. God look out for them where part them trod. But sake of how wicked people go on, for them life, I go mash up bad. God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.